TTP Biz, Danzy Tech Plus Business.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you
how to remove image background using Pixellab. If you are new to my channel, my name is Daniel Onyedkachi, also known as DTPBs. You can subscribe to my channel for further video like this, or video on how to make money online, how to design a graphic, and how to edit a video. Now you click on the new text, you delete it. Now you click on this plus button, you go to from gallery. Now you choose the image you want to remove the background. My image is loading. You choose the image you want to remove the background. We are using this one. Yes, you choose it, you zoom it, retro, then you click on this icon shape, you go to erase color, you enable it. As you can see, the background has disappeared. But if you have black background, go to black, you do it. But you know we have only white background here, so we are using white. It applies even yellow, blue, any type of color, but we are using white because you have white background. After it, you go to smooth edge, you smooth the edge, then you click on OK. Now you have a image that is without background. If you want it to be transparent, you go to this square shape that is double, you go to transparent. As you can see, you can save it like this, it become a transparent image. But if you want to add it background, you go to from gallery. Yes, click on from gallery. Yes, my image is loading again. You choose the background. I'm choosing this background. You crop it to the size of the image. Yes, you have it like this. As you can see, we have a very beautiful picture. What you do is to save it to your gallery. Save the image to your gallery. With this step, you can use it to remove or change any background from any picture. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.